What topic?
API function.
We started or we did?
We have started.
We started. Function, any function? Oh, I remember that, yes. We started the function app, we created a function app also, we added a HTTP trigger also, we added a time trigger also.
Time trigger, yes.
Sir, how to add that time trigger?
I'll show it one more time. Yes, I thought I'll tell you that API.
API, yes.
You have to remind me. Yes, gate, post, everything actually. Okay, good. So first on demand, we need to first go ahead and add function. Okay, Abdul has issues, so we'll show you that how to add a time trigger. At least one is enough. Okay, so you become good in the time trigger or STP, anything is fine. Okay, so that I'll be showing you how to create a function app and then how to add a function on top of it. Okay, fine.
So when you are selecting .NET only, you are able to see the functions. But when you are selecting
Python, Java, you are not getting it. That's the thing. Okay, the thing is, free time they removed it. Even the .NET also you will not see in the future. Okay, they'll remove it. You can only create the function app, you cannot add function. This would be gone to the development section now. Okay, so that's why I chosen the .NET so that you can see that. Other language, if you choose Java also, same thing. Right now? But good thing, right? So, let's learn it with the .NET itself. Maybe tomorrow you will not get a chance to see that also. Okay, fine. Done already. So let me go ahead and try to go to my portal account first. Guys, I have too much tabs open. Let me close these off. Okay, portal.azure.com. Right, so I'll go to portal.azure.com and then after that I'll just try to come here with function app. So let's see, I have function app. Yesterday one is there or not. Let's go to function app. Okay, no, so I'll create a function app. Okay, guys, I'll create it. Okay, in our process, right? So I'll just choose that Navi trading. Okay,
Sir, function app is valid for 12 hours or 24 hours.
what?
Tomorrow, yesterday you created one app. Now it is gone.
No, I have deleted because it's a charge, no? So every time, every batches when I used to take it, I used to delete all the function. I used to go here, I used to clear my all the resources. Okay? Let me clear it. So I used to select this and I used to delete it. So that will not charge extra amount. Okay? So let me delete it. Clear now? Clear, right? Very good. So let me go back to home page. It will be deleted, no problem. Let me go to home page. I'll go to function. It is not automatically deleted. No service will get automatically deleted. You have to delete it. Okay? So go back here and try to create a function app, right? And you have to go with the Naveen training. Okay? Then go to the function app name. Okay? So function app name I would be going. Okay? Let's go with just for practice. Right now? Just for practice. The just for practice. Okay? Code, you know that? What code it will launch? It's still loading. What happened? It's still loading? Yeah. So if you go back, .NET only, others you're not able to see. So let's go to the .NET. Reason it will be anything, it let it pick. Okay, it's not an issue. I'll go to the networking, monitoring, deployment, tags, review and create, and I'll go to create. So let it get created. Guys, meanwhile it is getting created.
Last we finished
Ah.
our ending.
Yes, it will go till like this. 27, 30, 31 like that. 27.
Dashara is
Dasara?
Dashara is there now.
Huh?
In October.
Yeah.
We continue classes. Classes continue.
Dasara will take leave. When is the Dasara? Is on 20. Actually, it is on
24.
24th, right? And 23rd is like one more festival. I mean, like Navami, right? Festival. So we can take 2 days leave hardly, not more than that.
So then why don't you take on weekends, Saturday?
Good question. I'll answer you.
Family time.
No, Saturday actually thing is still I'm not able to do anything because see I'll tell you now. See my timing, okay. 7 o'clock I used to get up morning. 7, 5, 7, 10, 15. I'm getting up, taking bath and all. I'll coming to shoot by 7:30. We'll discuss one more time. I'll just tell you my story. Don't worry. So your deployment is complete here, okay. So you have to go to resources, right? So if you go to resources, here we have also called as a browse option, right? If you click on the browse, it will say this. This you know that, right? Now next thing is you have to go and add function. Okay, this is only applicable for the .NET. Others you will not get. Very soon you will not see the .NET also. Okay, for .NET also you will not be seeing in few time. Okay, just click on it and you have a function. So I will tell you that you can select time trigger. Time trigger you should be knowing some cron expression. Okay, what is that? Cron expression. So cron expression is something we'll write into the some different format like this. Meaning of this would be fired at 12 p.m. every day. Whatever the function you are creating, every 12 p.m. afternoon, every day it will explode. Explode means it will get active.
So if you copy that expression and paste in that.
Yes. So whatever the if you copy this expression, let me copy your expression here. Okay. If I copy this expression here and let me add a function time trigger. Okay. Let's click on the create option. Then I go to integration. Okay. Change that time trigger value schedule what we copied. Okay. Let me go here. Let me change this one what I copied. So what happens if it go ahead questions we are not making it, let's like write as a 1. Okay, so if you go back and save it, right, so what happens is every day, okay, 12 p.m. every day it will run it. And what happened when you are giving this function app to developer, when this is some logic they are adding it, let's see like I wanted to run my Facebook Messenger history. I wanted to take a back. Okay, you have seen you are using the WhatsApp, right? There is a backup option, no? There you are choosing 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock night, right? So every time you remember that it will get it will find it. It is just also a function app only. So whatever function you are telling them, tell them. Let's see, it's kind of alarm here. Let's see that every day 1 o'clock give me the alert that how many steps I walk. It is again function. So this, when you are giving this, when you are creating this function app, you are handing over to developer. Developer will add some logic for what purpose they are using it. Like yesterday, you have seen the example of pizza or lassi corner shop. Okay, every 3 hours I wanted to see my sales count. What is the amount I have sold it? Right now, similar to that. Nothing apart from that.
So what is that input and function and output? What is
Which one, buddy?
Output.
Input function.
This is the function where your developer will add some input functions. I told no sales records, okay, or something they will create some functions, right? For sales one, or maybe it may be, let's see, you wanted to generate. Let's talk about me. I wanted to see every new batch when starting after demo how much guys made the payment, how much revenue I am getting from this training. Those type of input they will be doing it. We cannot write the codes for that logic, right? So it's responsibility for them to do it. You're lucky enough that you're seeing the function. Previous batches, 2-3 batches, they have removed this function. It was not there. Okay? But again, maybe they have added, maybe again they might delete also. It's not a problem. Right? So this is the things you have to understand in this. Okay? But this is all about your time trigger. But I wanted to show you one more thing about your, what is that? Your HTTP trigger also. That is also important. 2 is important. Okay? So let me select here as a HTTP trigger. Here is the HTTP trigger. Click on the create button. Okay, click on the create button, HTTP trigger and create button. Integration. Where to go? Code plus test is the logic written by developer. Okay, it is the logic written by developer. Who writes that? Logic written by developer. Okay. So as per your language, whatever is selected .NET, whatever the logic written for HTTP trigger will come now. Okay? As per your language selected, it will come now. So you can see here the code with respect to your what is that? Your HTTP trigger has been written in the .NET language, C#. Right now? Okay, fine. So now you can go here and you could able to see this as a run, test run. You can run also. You have an option for that. Now here you have to use post method, get method, post patch method, put method. That is also there. That you guys don't know, I'll teach you right now. Here these are some body the developer will add it. For what reason? Now let me teach you one thing, okay? Post and put, that will be better for you to understand. Let's see. I gave you the basics about you on API. What is API? API stands for Application Programming. API stands for guys? Application Programming. Application Programming Interface. Okay, this is API. What it does, it always work for. Okay, it always works for backend. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. I gave the example yesterday also to you here. You are going to Facebook. Okay, you are going to Facebook, or let's say you are going to Flipkart only. Where you are going? You are going to Flipkart, right? So if you are going to Flipkart, you are searching for mobile. So when you are clicking, the data is not there, but it will go to backend. Okay? So these are big billion records, whatever it is there. Okay? Right? Whatever it is there, this is already there in your stored one. Where? Stored one. Stored one in the sense is there. What is stored one? Stored means already your database something is there. Now who is bringing from the database? API is bringing. Backend guys are bringing. Okay? Like understand. We have told you one thing yesterday. Something called as there is something called HTTPS methods. What is that? Hypertext Transfer Protocol methods. We have many. Get, put, patch, delete, many are there. Out of that, I want to teach you just 2 is important. Get and paste. But if you know, you can go there with the patch also and put also. What is that? Put. Patch and put also. Put also, right? Out of that, this two is mandatory. You should know that at any cost. Being a developer, being a software guy, you should know that. Gift means something I am getting from you. Okay. Basically, these all type of work is done by the QA guys. Okay. That is, you might have heard it called as a API testing. API testing, right? You might have heard the term called API testing or API development, anything it comes. So get means, let me show you that. That too you can do with the help of Postman. What you can do? With the help of Postman is a tool actually. Got the point? Postman is a tool. So no need to you can download also. You can go back to your Postman tool here, like here. Guys, this is just for your personal interest I am teaching you because it's not a part of DevOps at all. But being a developer, being a DevOps guy, being a QA guy, you should know that at least get and post. Mandatory. Okay? So that's it I am telling you, understand? So you can download the Postman download tool if you want. If you don't download, not a problem at all. You have a web application also. So I might have a web application somewhere. I'll just type it as a Postman. What is that? Postman. I'll click it out. I'll go to the website. Okay. I'll try to log in the Postman. Sign in here. Okay. So let me sign in the Postman. I have account already. So let me sign in the Postman. Yeah, this is for API. API development, testing, everything you use this one. It's not mandatory that you also have to log in, you have to understand that. No. But at least you should know the meaning of get and post. So you can see, I have the API, many APIs is there with me. API workspace 1, my workspace, team workspace. Okay. So I think I will pick up one API for you all. Okay. Let's see. I can teach you this. Okay? Understand. This is application. Whatever you can see on this is Postman application. This is used for API development and testing. Okay? Basically testing is the more used here. Okay? So understand. You can see the screen here, right? And in this you can observe with the left hand side is called as a collection. What is this? Collection. Collection is a list of APIs that I am having it. Let's see, I am talking about collection of my watch. Collection of somebody is very, he has very, he's having is to keep that shoes. So you'll have a different type of shoes. Bikes, pen, right? Dress, right? So these all are called as a collection here. Okay? So this is a get request, this is a post request, right? So get request means what I did, if you go back to here the get request here, okay, you can see here, this is method. What is this? This is a method. So these many type of method we do have it. How many are there? Get, post, put, batch, delete, add, options. How many are there? Nearly 6-7 methods are there. Okay? Out of that, you don't have to learn anything. Just learn deeply into the get method, post method. And I suggest you, if you have taken this much of pen, take a little bit more pen and try to understand how to put and batch. Just for definition. Because interviewer can ask you what is the difference between put and batch. Because you are saying that you are putting the experience of QA for 2 years, for more guys, more year of experience. So you should know that, right? So let me first go to the get. So you can select your method from here. And this is called as an API. What is this? This particular, the API means it is hitting to that location. I am just hitting this to Charan. Okay. So this is API for me. It will go directly, it will not go to somewhere else. It will go directly to Charan only. I have sent it out. Right here? So API, like payment gateway. I told you yesterday, let's say you are placing an order on phone, but you want me to make the payment. Okay? Since I have a card, you will get a more benefit. So what to do? I will approach, you can approach me, you send me the payment link. That link will route me to payment gateway. It will not route me to World Cup Live. Right now? That is called as a payment. That is called as an API. So what is the address here? HTTPS JSON placeholder dot type code dot com users. Now users is something that you in this location JSON placeholder type code dot com has some data. In that user is also a data. Maybe 10 user, 5 user, 20 user, 100 user, 1 user, no users, right? They have some set of users. So, if you click this, see, understand, get will not have body. Let's see, I am going to ATM to get some money. Let's say 2 lakh rupee. Do I carry 1 lakh, then only the ATM will give me 2 lakh rupee? No, you have to go with your bare bag, right? Empty bag. Then only you feel like 2 lakh rupee, right? Okay now. So that's the example here, buddy. Get method, the body would be empty. Body would be empty. Can you see this? Blank body. The request doesn't have a body. Clear or not? Now the people will ask in the interview, what is the different type of HTTPS method we do have? How many are there?
7.
Which all? Get, post, put, patch, delete,
Options.
options, get. Yes. Right here? Very good. So now understand that. So if you go back and click on the send button, that means you are hitting it. I have already this.
Yes, sir.
I am just clicking on send, it will go to JIRA. Simple, right? Okay? You are hitting the particular destination. Yes or no, dear? Right. So I am just trying to click here and click on the send button. See the response. This part is called as the request part and this part is called as the response part. It says no? Click send to get the response. So shall I go and click on the send? Okay? Send. If my API is correct, I'll get list of users which is there in the JSON placeholder database. Yes or no, dear? Got it? Everyone? Everyone, yes or no? Okay. So you guys can get this part. You can get this thing into your internet also. Okay? You can get the users API in JSON placeholder, something you can get it out here. You can download it from here for testing purpose. Okay? You could able to just go click on the get, you'll get also. So these are all there. Okay? So you can just use it. No need to go and do a practical also. If you have more interest, you can do it. It's not required. For being a DevOps guy, it's not required. Understanding is required. Okay? Now understand. What you do, you click on the send button. That means you are getting into the hit button. Okay? You're clicking on the hit button. So dear, you're clicking on the hit button, right? So what happens is, you're getting the list of users. ID 1. What is the ID of the guy? 1. What is the name of the guy? Lean Graham. Okay, detail of that guy. Okay? Then ID 2, Arvind Hobel. Then ID 3, Clementine Bodge. Then ID 4, okay, Patrick Lepsack. Then, okay, ID 5, Chelsea Dictridge, whatever. Okay, these are all the resources of there in your placeholder user list. Is it clear? So here you have to know 3 things: method, API, response. What is response? This is called as a body of response, or it is called as a response body. And this is also mandatory to know what is the status code. Get method, if it is a success, you will get 200. What is that? 200 is success. Okay. Right. So we have a different series actually, that I'll tell you. We have different series of status code. 200 series, 300 series, actually 100 series also there. 100 series, 200 series, 300 series, 400 series and 500 series. 100 series will give you about the information, something about information. This will give you about your success code. What is that? Success code. This 300 will give you about the redirectional code. What is that? Redirectional. 400 give you about the error message. Something is not good. This is a server error message. Qualifying? Okay. So what you are having it here means success. So get always you get 200. Post you get 201. That is also success. Let me do one thing. This is the right code, right? So let me delete something here. Okay, and let me click on the send. What I'm getting it? I'm getting cannot access the public keys. Okay. Let's see. I'm writing tom.com. Okay. So what you are getting? You are getting only that typical code for that is there in this location. Let me make this something wrong here. Okay, and go with this send. Okay, so that's something it is reaching to this point. So if it is not able to break it out, but if you break it out, you will get 400, 500, something you will get it different. Okay, I'm trying to break it, but it's not getting break today. Okay, so let's see send. It is getting this response. Cloud doesn't get it, but it should be coming. I'll show you the post. Post will get break, don't worry. Post will get break for sure. Okay, so this part is clear, right? That is more than sufficient to understand for the get method. Now let's go for the post. What is post? You are getting the list of users that you are having it. Okay, you are getting the list of users that you are having it. Post means I am creating the users to your database. Clear? So I can make it the ID 600. Rumana, I'll make it as a Naveen. Okay, this is how I'll leave it as something. For zip code, I'll write a Hyderabad code. Okay, 5000138. Okay, something else, your choice, your wish. I made some changes. Now posting means you are posting to this location, right? You are posting to this location. For posting, we need a body. If I wanted to give 2 lakhs rupees, I need to have it full of bag money or full of packet money, then only I can give it. If I give empty, I cannot do anything. Now API is there, UPI is there, that's something different thing. But cash, right? Okay, no? Yes or no? Right? So you understand it, right? Good. So next thing is, you have to click on the send. So here, again response will come, what you have added, and what is the response code? You get 201. If it is a correct, wrong error code will get, okay? Actually, let's click on the here. So what is the status code you are getting? And what is getting it is a created. So you have created one record with the name as a Naveen. Clear enough? Right? Okay, good. Let me make something error here. I will make it this paragraph, I will delete it. The body is wrong now. I should not be getting 201. Let's click on the same. See that you are getting what? 500 server error. What is the reason you will get? You will get the reason. What is that? Unexpected end of JSON input. Something wrong in your JSON. Please change that. Okay? Yes or not here? So this is the time you will get it out. So what is post? Post means creating a record. Okay. Get means get the record here. Read the data. Get means read. A post means create. Get means read and post means create. These two is something clear in your mind. Clear? Get means read. Post means create. Two things is clear here. Don't make many changes here. Okay? Don't get confused. Clear? No. I'm getting something from you. I'm reading something what you are giving to me. Post means something I am creating it. You have seen me several times. I'll keep you posted on this. I'll keep you posted means I'll keep you posted meaning is I'll tell you on this future. Okay. Now let's try to make you understand with the help of put and patch. Put and patch interview will not tell you anything, they'll tell you just what is the difference between put and patch. That's all they'll ask you. So just write, you see here, put versus patch. Even I haven't done any time put and patch, frankly speaking. I didn't develop it, I didn't test it and anything because it's not needed from me. So difference between put and patch is very. Patch is used to apply partial update to a resource. Means some data, okay? Meaning that only the field that need to be changed are sent to the request body. Can you understand it very clearly this? I understand it. Do you understand it? I'll tell you. No. See, you wanted to make some changes. Let's say that patch. I go to barber shop. I wanted to shave my beard only. Okay. I'll tell that beard shaving please. I want that this here also, okay, mustache also, right? No. So whatever the thing you wanted to change, just tell them that I have a problem with that. You are going to a doctor, you have a pain in your head. You'll not so my body is paining. Where paining? Head, stomach, leg, where? So whatever the area that you wanted to change, that only you are keeping in the request body. See that? Patch is used to apply partial update, means you are changing something partially, not fully, partially. Okay? Meaning that only the field that you wanted to change, you are keeping in the request. Clear enough? What is that? What is the field that you wanted to change, that only you are keeping in your, where? Into your patch. Now put is what? Put is used to replace the entire source. Complete changes. That's it. There's two difference. Clear? Patch means
Partial updates.
yes, partial update. Put means complete changes that you want to do. Clear, guys? Anything? Okay. Who wrote this?
Abdul.
Oh, I thought someone else. Fine, no problem. Okay, so clear, Maria? Right now? Good. So next is, right, so next part is, I think board patch is clear, I think API also clear. This thing here to understand it. 100 series, 200 series, 300 series, 400 series, 500 series. Famous status code is 200, 201. One more is famous, 400. Do you write the code, please? I'll write the code. You also write somewhere, buddy, everyone. You share it, okay? 200, 201, 400, 401, 402, 405, 500. I'll write it, okay? So that you go home and see why this code is used. What is that? Let me write the code. You need to find, okay? You need to find the code meaning. Got the point here? It is important that I am asking you. 200. Heading is not there, you just find out. I will not tell you, you just find out for your own interest if you want to learn more, okay? 200, 201, 400, 401, 405, 403, 405 and 500. If possible, learn at least these 5 many status code. Okay? This belongs to success that you know already. This belongs to unauthorized. One is for body, one is for reference, one is for you just do it. I'll not tell you, okay? 500 is used for your server error, internal server that we got it some time back, okay? Yes. So please work on these 3 type of code, okay? These many type of code. This is for your own interest and try to do it, okay? At least learn this. Clear enough? Fine, I am stopping here for the API. That's it. Do anyone have a doubt in the API? What do we discuss now? Please raise a point or else I'll move to the next topic. Next topic we have, that is something called as a virtual machine. So we are stepping towards the tougher part now. Okay? Main part, tougher part. Right here? So again it will take me to cover at least minimum 2 to 3 weeks it will take. Minimum 2 weeks, maximum 3 weeks it takes. Okay now? So it will go not October yet. On to mid around 3rd week or yes 27th, by maximum 25-26 will close, not more than that. Okay,
After that,
everything resume interview will take 2 days of class, one for resume, one for interview preparation, 2 separate class. Don't include this in your training. Okay, that is apart from that. Okay, shall I go to that? Anyone have a doubt? All right folks, Ajit, Akhil, Anand, Prashant, Chandrasekhar, Rashmita, Ravi, Sunil, Tilak, Vijay. Okay, anyone have not buddy, let me know, please. Okay, Jenkin. See, dear, Jenkin will not be covered here. Please understand that.
you told that
One basics. I'll give the notes. I'll tell you the basics. I'll go to the notes for at least 10-15 lines of that. But I'll not be showing you practically. Okay. Jenkins, if you are using Azure DevOps and Jenkins, both are same thing. Whatever the task you are doing with the Azure DevOps, same task you are doing with the Jenkins only. Got it?
you told that JIRA also use.
JIRA, you wanted to know that? Okay. Right. If you want to know, I'll tell you now itself. Shall I teach you the JIRA now? If you're interested, there is not a part of course. Are you guys interested to learn JIRA?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll teach you. It is also important. Fine. Sunil, you know that, that's why you are saying no. Oh, let me check with the majority. Majority, yes, no. Tell me guys, speak quickly. How many no, how many yes? Majority are all yes. Often and guys don't want that, okay?
No, sir.
Everyone know that? Okay. Let's go with the JIRA then, understand? Let's make the use of JIRA, understand? See, understand? JIRA, because we have half an hour of time, okay, let's make use of this. We'll start the virtual machine from Monday class, okay? JIRA is nothing, it's called as a tracking tool. What is that? Tracking tool. Somebody says it as a tracking tool, somebody says it is a testing tool, somebody says it is a development tool, but according to me it's a tracking tool. Okay? It is a tracking tool given by Atlassian. Atlassian. I request every one of you who are here, you should have an account in the JIRA. And you should have played around in the JIRA. You should have played it, okay? How? I'll help you, don't worry. You have to type here as a JIRA and just click as a JIRA login, something you type it. What is that? JIRA login. Can you see there is an option called id.atlassian.com?
Yes.
Okay, see, what is the use of JIRA? Have a look here. If you are wondering that what is JIRA used for, answer is multi-purpose. Bug tracking, issue tracking, project management. So you can see this. This is all about your tracking. Now if you talk, JIRA is a free of cost. It has a free platform, free trial account. It's not completely free, but yes, we guys can make use of 1 month free totally. 30 days is free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything from your pocket. So you go to id.atlassian.com, click on it. Okay, what you have to do, click on it. Now log in with some account. Since I have multiple accounts with me, this time I'll go with Azure training account. Okay, I'll try to log in with the Azure training account with the JIRA. So if you go back to here, it will ask you to where you wanted to go ahead. Okay, so you just download, come down, you have option of JIRA software. Many are there, application is there, account setting is there, support is there, community is there. Okay, service management is there, Confluence is there. I wish that you could able to go on the JIRA software. I wanted you to go on that. Okay, just click on the JIRA software. Got the point here? If Prashant, you have the office account, you can play. Okay, but don't create any ticket. Then if you don't create any ticket, you cannot play. Okay, you can go and observe how it goes, how it is working. You will have very good things on that. Okay, but only thing is, I want you to go ahead and play on your own account, personal account. Okay, no? Got the point? So you can play on the personal account. I'll show. I have. So you can able to play on your like office account also, but I'll suggest you go with your personal account. That is a good point. Okay? Good. Now here, first thing is that you have to create your project. See, I used to teach JIRA for some batches. I have taken multiple batches. These two batches say that I wanted to learn, that's why I am teaching them. Okay? Let's include your name as well. So now understand. What type of tool you wanted to go? Do you want it to go with a Scrum tool? Bug tracking? Obviously we'll go with the Agile only, right? So I'll go with a Scrum. So use any template you wanted to go with, okay? So it's not a template, you go with any template. Now, what type of project you are looking for? Is a team size, team one or a company? I'll go with a team. Company, that means I am going for the commercial, okay? I'll go with the team. And you have to give your, what account we have to give, buddy? Project code. No, sorry, project details. What do you have to give? Project details. So just give the project name. If you go back here, I can go with the project name here. Okay. That I'll give that as of 6 p.m. September? July? August. When it started? August?
August 21st.
Okay, no. Why are I like going that we need to complete? 21st August, right? 21st September, 21st October. I'm not delaying. 1 week only, no? Done? Okay. As on 6 p.m. August. Okay, dear? August. Clear? Okay? So I'll go with this. Now this is key. What is key is, when you are creating any ticket on your JIRA, your name will start as a AZ10, AZ12, AZ14. So you will, what do you want to give? Let's say I want to give as an array ID. So I'll just skip NID. NID01, NID02, NID03. Okay? That is called as a key here. Clear enough? Anyone have a doubt? Let me know. But if do anyone have a doubt, let me know. Please do let me know. If you guys have any doubt, please do let me know.
So you said that playing what?
Playing means you can practice on that. Okay, you just delete it, create it, move it to do. Like playing means you wanted to explore more into that. Okay. Okay now? Right, so now I'll move ahead. I'll try to go to the next option. Fine, let's go to next. So it says connect to the project, right? Now go to the project. Your JIRA project is successfully created. Okay, let's go to the project here. Now, don't you think that it's similar to your like Azure board? Don't you think that, buddy, everyone? It is similar to your Azure board? Right now? It is almost similar to Azure board. Yes, it is almost similar to Azure board. The reason for that is we are also making the use of your everything that you say here. Okay, dear? Clear now? Now here also you can play around this. Okay, with the help of your items that you can see, you can create a different type of work item. Okay? How? Create. So do you remember that We have discussed something in our Azure DevOps.
US, Canada, UK.
Except story.
Story.
We did not think.
Yes. Why 3? Why I did 3 only? Yes. What is the reason that we have done 3 only? Tell me here. Why the reason that we have done 3 only? The reason behind that, DevOps guys will not be making the use of any stories. They will be getting Epic only for deployment. They cannot go ahead and deploy login, correct user, correct password, deploy. They'll go completely login deployment. Right now. So that's the reason here, my dear friends. Okay? So you can go and create anything. Let's go and I'll go with anything. Okay? Now what is the status? To do. So now to do in progress and done. So if you understand that in our Azure DevOps we have something to do, doing, right? Doing now and done or completed. Maybe done, doing. So both are same, no? Both are same only, right? So you could able to see that the same thing, buddy. Summary, you write anything else. Let's see, I'll just write it as a Facebook login page, okay, is not working even with giving right user and password. Okay, don't right is not a word, good word, correct username and password. Yes or no? Okay, so you have to go ahead with that thing. Okay, you need to go ahead with your summary. Even you can maximize also, yes. Like this. Click on this, it will go to full screen. Right here now. Right now? Okay. So if you go here, it will come up with summary here, then description. You know the description, right? Step to reproduce, and first I'll log into the Facebook page. I'll go ahead and click on Facebook, I'll go ahead, and then after that I'll go with what is that? Username, I'll enter correct username, correct password, click on the login button. Expected result should be, I should be able to log into Facebook page. What is the actual result? I am not able to log into the page. Okay, right now. So this is thing. Next thing is you have to come in the mind that assignee. Usually assignee would be, let's see this project, what is the project name? Azure 6 PM August project name, right? August project name, let's say we have a 10 guys. So who will work on that? Obviously your defect will be assigned to developer only. Developer will work, right? Okay, so it will assign to developer. Right now no one is there, so I'll go with the Azure training here. Okay, let's scroll down. Scroll down, you have a labels, right? So what is labels here? Right now I haven't added any labels, but labels is something that you have to keep in the mind. Please understand. Label means there is something about your back end, something about the front end, something about the API issues, something about your database issues, something about your Facebook, let's see, here what is your Facebook login issue, right? So that is something all about your labels here. Okay. Next is sprint, that you know that. Okay. So your sprint starts, you either go with the ACC or you can go with this also, your choice. Whatever you wanted to go, you can go with this all, anything is fine. Okay. Right here. Okay, so you can able to keep it those part in this example. Okay. Now the next part that you have to keep in, story point. Did I tell you the story point? Agile class I have told you. Yes, I do remember that. I remember that, buddy. I might have told you in the Agile class.
Facebook stories. Facebook stories.
Sorry? Story point is what, buddy? Nothing is a story point. I'll tell you one thing. Let's see total user story or total user story or total requirement. I have 200. Okay. In that I have a login, logout, Reels, marketplace, many more are there. Okay. In that total stories, okay, in that total story, I cannot pick all the tasks in the same sprint. I cannot take 10, I cannot take 1. It depends on the complexity of your requirement. Some requirement will be tough, some requirement will be easy. So story point is a keyword, understand that. What is that? Story point is a keyword, okay. So story point is a keyword that we have to understand in the mind here, that it would be coming up for the guys, okay, to check the complexity level. Okay. Usually we write the story point in the Fibonacci series. You know the Fibonacci series? 1, I'll tell you. Fibonacci series is what? The Fibonacci series will start from like this here. It will start from 0, 1, then 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, back to back. Okay, let's go to the previous one. 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, like that. That is maximum here. I'm not saying the maximum, but yes, it go like this. So if you go back here, okay, if you go back here, basically, right, so 0, 1, oh no, 1, 0 there is no value, so leave this. 1 it will start. 1 is the lowest, easiest task, and 21st here is a toughest task. If any stories that I am having is a 1, we can take 5 also. But if you go to 21 requirement we have, we can take only 1. The time taking for that would be same. Clear or not? Okay. So that is something that we are writing into a story here. Does the bug have a story point? No. The bug doesn't have a story point. The story point is there only for your user story. Okay. This is for your user story. Right? This is measurement of the requirement. Can you see this says that? Complexity. So this issue, Facebook login issue, is affecting which requirement? And that is for your assignment. So this is not required for this story point, right? If you are giving means, that means you are giving the requirement of the bug, not your bug. Bug doesn't have any story point. Got a point here? Bug will have a priority, severity, how much tough, how much important this bug is for you. Okay? How soon you wanted to fix this bug? That is a priority. You'll see that. Come back here. Now this is blocks. So this story will block your user. No, this bug will block your user story. Yes or no? Let's see. I was sick for 2-3 days. 3-4 days I have not taken the class. Continue 3-4 days I have not taken the class for due to my chicken pox. Okay. I suffer with the chicken pox. So it blocked your class or not? It has blocked your class, right? We are not able to do the class now. Or if we are doing it online also, I was going very slow. Understand now? But if you compare now, we can easily complete our topic, one topic in single day. But if you go and back in my previous day, I used to go very slowly, next 2 days, 3 days, half an hour, 1 hour class, right? That is a blocking your class. My health is blocking your class. Yes or no? Our class is blocked by my health. Okay? 2 are different things here. Clear now? Good. So I don't have any issues, no? Okay. I have some user story previous. I created. I'll do this. I'll select that. Okay? Just for the reference. Come down. Flat means, this is means something that you are, okay, I I'll tell you. In the IT world, flag means something is stopping. Impediment. Impediment means blocker. Okay, what is that? What is this? Impediment. I'll show you that. Impediments. What is this impediment? Hindrance or obstruction in doing something. Obstruction means something is I'm not able to do. It is called as stopping. Similarity is what? Hindrance, obstruction, obstacle, barrier, bar, block. Same thing at all, right? Same thing here. Right. So that we'll discuss now. Let's click on the create. Okay, so you have seen your story has gone to your backlog actually. Okay, this is story now. Right here. So he same thing now. In that Azure DevOps you are doing the same thing. What you are doing in Azure DevOps? You are moving to in progress, then moving to making to done state, then you are updating the comment here. Everything goes like this only, right? Yes, we have to do like this. Linking, like how you are linking now, parent, child, here also you are linking. We already linked it, but we have somewhere you can see this. You go to the all. Link is there. If you wanted to create another link, you click here. Okay, and then here also we have a child and clone. Everything is there. Okay, you get it others also. 1 minute. NIT board. Okay, come to here. Linking. You can see multiple there. Okay, right. So whatever the link type that I should be having with a block, that I should be having with the defect, those are coming up. Clear here? Okay? Enough now? Right, good. So if it is clear, this is also watcher. This is called as a watcher. So let's see, I am the manager. You told me, Naveen, sir, I am working on this NIT one. So I'll click on this. So that means whenever you're making some progress here, time beginning comment, you changing the status, everything come as a watcher here. Clear here? Okay? Right. So this is all. You can move here also. Okay? You can make it done, but the comment is mandatory. Now you have a different options to go with this one also, buddy. Sprint also. Okay. So let me talk the new sprint. Okay. So you have an option of a sprint. Yeah. Let's try to click on the start the sprint. Okay. How many weeks you want to do? Usually 2 to 4 weeks. I told you, right? So you said 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Your choice. Whatever you want to do, click on the start. Okay. So I request you everyone, please go ahead and try to create one account in JIRA and try to explore something over the JIRA. Don't go deeply, but yes, everyone should know that. In the real time, you'll get a chance to work on the JIRA. So now anyone have a doubt, let me know here. Like here also same thing, but everyone. History, timeline, everything same. Let me click on this.
What is the main use of this app?
The main use of this is all the developer, BA, QA, DevOps, everyone create their task here.
Tasks. Creating tasks.
Okay, like what task you are working, what is the status of that? Hold on. Okay, clear here? Anyone have doubt, let me know. No? Okay, fine. So if you don't have doubt, we can wind up the call here. The assignment for the day is you have to complete your function now. Function you already done it. You just move around something about your I'll post this notes also. This note something about your API notes, and I'll give some assignment on the JIRA. I'll create a ticket on something. Okay, I'll write assignment right now. I'll update in the JIRA ticket. Yes, I will be sharing it also. It takes time for that. It takes time. Okay, maybe you can spend on Sunday or Monday somewhere. Okay. Let me first share you the notes real quick.
Sir, that data engineer course is coming in
Ha.
So what is this?
That is entirely different here.
No.
There you learn it as well, like, something, how to analyze the data. Like many topic, Azure Data Factory, you learn it something called as Synapse, Databricks. These all topic will come in the data engineering. That is a different course, entirely different course. You will be getting very less opportunity in the data factories, data engineers, very less. That is for developer, not for us. If you go in the market, only one or two institute, that too one or two. We don't have data engineering, now only they have started. Fine. I also have taken a training in the data engineering for Deloitte, but I didn't feel so interesting. Just analyzing the data, that's all. Okay, let me put the notes first for you all.
Sir, in cognitive, when is the opening the questions? Any idea?
October only. See the JIRA, what you have to do? First thing is create the account. Okay? Second thing is create one bug, one story, one task. Okay? Try to link with each other. You know the block, the why related to child, like this. Link with each other. That is sufficient here. Okay? So you do it already. Right. So tomorrow we don't have session. Monday we have a session. We'll go with the virtual machine. Virtual machine will take 1.5 days to complete. Okay? Monday and Tuesday some part will take. Right. Fine guys, thank you so much for joining. Take care. Have a nice rest of the day and happy weekend here.